In this 2008 Nissan Versa, I have a new key and a new remote. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to program that new remote to your 2008 through 2010 Nissan Versa. And it's a very, very simple process, trust me. It really is. Before you start, you want to make sure that the key identification numbers are identical or compatible. In this case, I already made sure that they were, but that would be the number that you want to, the FCC ID, as well as the model number, or the part number right here. Now, we also did get a key. I don't know if the chip is in it or not. We'll test that out on another day when we go get the chip and key programmed, or I do it myself with the scan tool. But we got to make sure that these are identical and line up. Same for the remote. So let's open up the remote. They give you this card here, like a 1, 2, 3 step. I'm not going to go on their website because I don't know what type of it's a locksmith locator. That's easier said than done. I can just go on Google, but I don't really want to use this because I don't trust that. Making sure that this is identical, they look alike. Yep. I'm gonna make sure that it has the chip inside. So we're gonna open this up. There's a little notch on the bottom. You take a key or the little ring, put it in the slot, and pry it apart. Just like that. Making sure that there's a chip on the inside, because it would be useless if there wasn't. We can now close this back up and get ready for programming. Alright, just to show you that the new key doesn't work at all, here's the new one, here's the old one. Alright, I'm going to start by closing the driver door and hitting the lock button once. Okay, while doing that, we're going to insert the key 10 times in 10 seconds, and whichever one the key starts flashing at, it could be 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. I usually, on Nissans, just go 10 times all the way. Go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, 10 times in 10 seconds. So we saw the lights go, turn the key on to accessory, hit the lock button. See how those just flicked on? Now we're going to turn this key off and then open the door. Hit the original key, see, make sure it works still. And then check the new fob. Alright, new fob is programmed. It's that simple.